Creating unique sites for affiliate marketing.
Establishing yourself in the affiliate marketing world is no easy task. However, once you have, the rewards are much greater than one could usually expect. Your products and affiliate marketing sites will get you that success you want. But how do you get them to do that? You are probably just starting out with affiliate marketing by trying your luck with just one product, or like many affiliate marketers, marketing multiple products to maximize profits. Either way, you should acknowledge the fact that the method in which you utilize your affiliate marketing sites is a major determinant of your success. Creating unique affiliate marketing sites for your affiliate products pave the best way for maximized profits. Unique affiliate marketing sites allow for your prospects to focus highly on a certain product they need or want, or the niche in which that product belongs to. Further reasons why you should create unique affiliate marketing sites, and how these sites should look like, for your affiliate marketing ventures are stated below. Why create unique affiliate marketing sites? 1. To get your prospects focus on one product. Your prospects probably landed on your page because they were specifically looking for your product. They would want to know more about the product, and considering just how patient, which isn't much, customers can get these days, they wouldn't want to know anything more. Imagine how they would get if you placed the descriptions of totally unrelated products beside the one they were looking for example, sneakers beside a computer. You wouldn't want to know just how much that would hurt your profits, except that since you care about your profits, you have to. By focusing on one product at a time, you give your prospects the chance to get to know your product more. Plus, unique affiliate marketing sites are quite easy to maintain and establish, at most, a day or two to get everything, links, layout, entries, photos, etc., right. You'd be extremely surprised just how these unique affiliate marketing sites focused on promoting a single product could bring in profits disproportionately high compared to the effort that went into making them. 2. To get them to focus on a certain group of product. Sometimes, customers who aren't satisfied with the features and benefits of a product want to find other alternatives. It would be such a sad thing if you can't provide them with that. By grouping similar products together in one unique affiliate marketing site, you can pretty much capture the market, despite all its preferences and specific needs. The only problem with establishing unique affiliate marketing sites focused on a certain group of product is that they are much harder to do than single product sites. The work is tedious, and you might end up having to hire someone else to do the job for you, which calls for money you would rather earn than spend. The trouble also is that these sites may not work right away, it may take a while before profits come pouring in, and this could get quite a bit discouraging. If you have the patience for everything, creating the site, waiting for profits, then you could try your luck at this. 3 qualities your unique affiliate marketing sites should have. It isn't enough to know what kind of affiliate marketing site to establish. Even if your site caters to a single product or multiple ones, they have to have a certain qualities to ensure success. To encourage profits, your unique affiliate marketing site should be 1. User-friendly. Create affiliate marketing sites that users could find easy to navigate. Keep links and buttons within acceptable reach, and at enough frequency. 2. Well formatted. Do with a format or a layout that does well for the product you are trying to sell. Do not ever do the mistake of creating an affiliate marketing site meant for big bikes, i.e., Harley-Davidsons, with a layout composed of butterflies and pretty flowers. This is a thing for the insane to do. 3. Organized. Keep your unique affiliate marketing sites organized by placing appropriate links where they are most likely to be seen without interfering with everything else. Categorize your links and products as well, don't just place hundreds of your links under one category. Keeping your site organized will entice your prospects to discover more, and click away.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.